So, what's the issue with this bike? I think that the wonder wheel might be broken because it works when I push it sideways like that, but I'm trying to scroll up and down and nothing happens. I read that these wonder wheels do go bad, and yeah. Okay, so I just need to remove that. Oh, yeah, exactly. That's easier if you do this with two hands and you can catch that thingy. Well, there are connectors you gotta remove from the heated grip and from that multi-switch. You can't just remove it like that, but I just find it easier to remove that whole cluster first from the bike. Then it's easier to disconnect these connectors. I'll push the steering wheel to the left, and I find that if you remove this bracket and you remove that and that, then these cables get loose enough. Oh, you also have to disconnect, I believe, this connector from the clutch, and then the whole cluster will be able to come off. So now I gotta remove that screw. It's a T15. Yeah, it's off. The connector for the heated grip, you gotta pry this up, and then you remove the connector, and with the multi-switch connector you just pull it out. So I'm gonna need two hands to do that. So this one you just have to wiggle out, and this is the heated grip connector. So right there is a tab that you have to push up in order to remove the grip with the wonder wheel. Just comes off like that, just like that, and it's off beautifully. Now I have to remove these 3 screws. I'm gonna need them because the new wonder wheel comes without the screws. I mean, you can order screws if you want, but I didn't. So let's compare that. I think, I don't know, maybe they changed something because there are different colors of the wires here. So the new wonder wheel is on. Now I gotta put back the multi-switch. Make sure that it clicks when it comes in and that this tab falls right back in its place. So I gotta put this back on. Okay, so it might also be easier to put these connectors back in first and then put this thing back on. I gotta align it with the hole on the steering. Put this back in. So plug the clutch back in. Yep. So we can just actually find out if it works. Oh, I'm very stressed. That wonder wheel cost a fortune. Works sideways. Yay! It works. Cool. Okay. So that's it. I guess you just gotta put these few things back in the bracket, and that's it. Thanks for watching.